Hey gang, puppy hairs is caffeine and BS. Nah, it's Poppy After Midnight, and it's October 17th, 2019. Slept till about 2:30 p.m. today. I got up and started on my YouTube monitoring duties. You know, ate dinner, watched a movie I never thought I'd watch, but since it was on TV, and I don't know, I watched it. Now, well, the internet went out about half an hour ago. 2 power cycles later, and the bottom 3 lights on the modem are still playing Mo, Larry, and Curly, but they're not connecting. I'm just waiting for the lights to go blink. That's right. They're going to do everything they can to mess with me. Why? I'm lovable. I'm sweet. They must just be evil-minded, greedy, two-legged walking, discrete particles of fertilizer. Yeah. Decipher that one.